I'm Greg Chumley, Keypoint Intelligence Principal Analyst, and this video discusses what we see as some of Canon PRISMAcolor Manager's uses and benefits. As a reminder, PRISMAcolor Manager is a color validation tool residing on the Prisma Home Cloud platform. It provides color verification over time and across presses and digital front ends from a variety of vendors. Let's look at some typical color management challenges print service providers face and how PRISMAcolor Manager overcomes them. By the year 2023, color verification for digital presses should be easy. After all, you're just checking to see whether your press is printing properly, right? However, color management and verification are anything but easy for a variety of technical reasons. There are myriads of profiles, color patch sets, standards, and settings to select, print, measure, and analyze. Even printing these color patch charts properly so that they simulate the print condition that you want to verify against can be challenging. Operators need to know how to program or disable settings on the RIP to ensure that the test patches are being printed as expected. Those decisions in interpreting whether the results hit something like the Grackle 2013 print conditions within the tolerance set by the Idea Alliance Digital Press Certification Program are typically outside the job specs for press operators. I should also add that hand scanning color patch charts can be challenging. In North America, color managers typically use the Idea Alliance 12-6-4-7 3-row control patch set, which contains about 84 patches. Even slight mistakes made while hand scanning these sheets can skew the results and drive unnecessary color management activities. You see, even just quickly describing the process sounds complicated. It's no wonder that operators avoid doing it. PRISMAcolor Manager addresses these issues with 4 workflows to support almost any press, including offset and wide format devices. The direct print method, a highly automated workflow initiated by PRISMAcolor Manager where color patch sheets are submitted to PrismaSync-driven or Fiery-driven Canon presses for printing and hand scanning. PRISMAcolor Manager even chooses the correct color simulation settings for the operator, delivering an automated solution for one of the most technically challenging aspects of the color validation process. The PrismaSync import method, a fully automated workflow initiated by PrismaSync to automatically print, scan, and upload color patch sheets on PrismaSync-driven Canon ImagePress V presses with inline spectrophotometers. The download chart method, initiated by PRISMAcolor Manager, where it generates color patch sheet PDF files that include the 4-digit ID shortcode to download for manual printing and hand scanning on other vendor digital presses driven by Fiery or other DFEs. The ID shortcode simplifies input scanning by linking the database record associated to this color validation test to provide the system all the test parameters. And the manual method, where press operators manually generate, print, and scan color patch sheets for any press, which is primarily beneficial to users who are already dedicated to using industry-standard color control wedges for whatever reason. Control sheets sent by PRISMAcolor Manager consist of 84 patches spread across 4 rows that are larger and easier to scan than a typical sheet. And results are uploaded to the cloud where trained staff can interpret them using PRISMAcolor Manager. A second challenge print service providers face with color management is that they often can't see what is occurring over time. How frequently are presses going out of spec? Are the changes gradual or sudden? Is one color channel consistently slipping, or are the problems across the board? Is there a pattern with these changes by shift, season, or other environmental occurrence? Is a press slipping out of spec more frequently now than when it was new? Unfortunately, many systems take snapshots without offering tools to maintain and explore the results over time. PRISMAcolor Manager focuses on color verification and provides historical tools to present high-level color accuracy trends while being able to drill down into the details. Seeing these trends over time can help identify root causes and potential solutions. Keeping an eye on problem color areas can help staff better understand trends and intervene before color quality becomes an issue. And it can reduce unnecessary calibrations and verification tests with a more precise understanding of how long each press is likely to stay in spec. All these benefits apply to print service providers owning even a single press. However, PRISMAcolor Manager addresses additional challenges faced by shops with multiple presses. The tool takes care of all settings and direct prints the proper color patch sheet and settings to PrismaSync or Fiery-driven presses and can assist in color verification handling using more manual methods for other printers and DFEs. Operators quickly print, scan, and upload results, and the color management staff can compare results across all presses and digital front ends using a consistent reporting system without going down to the shop floor and working with each device. This minimizes shop floor disruption, simplifies shop-wide color accuracy analysis, and reduces the time staff spends on color management activities. We find that Canon has developed a powerful and useful tool with PRISMAcolor Manager. It solves real-life print service provider problems to deliver monetizable benefits. Of course, there are enhancements that we'd like to see for future releases, but PRISMAcolor Manager is useful as it stands, and such enhancements should be easy to implement and roll out since it is a cloud-based platform. Here are a few of the improvements we'd like to see. Canon should add a fifth workflow initiated by PRISMAcolor Manager that utilizes their inline spectrophotometers like their PrismaSync import workflow. We'd like to see Canon extend the direct print method to non-Canon presses driven by Fiery, which would make PRISMAcolor Manager even more powerful for multi-vendor shops. Of course, this level of integration can be challenging since each vendor has their unique implementations, but we suspect that this would involve more validation testing than new development. PRISMAcolor Manager should collect information about when linearization, calibration, and profiling actions are performed and indicate them in the historical trend report. Prismalytics dashboard already collects this information from PrismaSync, so it should be possible for Canon presses at least. And we'd like to see PRISMAcolor Manager develop verification schedules based upon trends, automatically request verifications, and notify color management staff when issues arise. PrismaSync users can already set timers for image press devices, but implementing this in PRISMAcolor Manager would be much more powerful. The bottom line is that we find that PRISMAcolor Manager makes color validation simple enough and easy enough that printers will be more likely to perform it. Vendors and organizations like Idea Alliance have invested considerable science and development in color management, but print service providers lag in adopting and regularly using these systems, even though the benefits are clear. Sales teams can assure customers about consistent color quality. Shops can fearlessly shuffle jobs between presses to get work out quickly, and the prints coming off the presses on the floor of your shop will help you achieve the crisp and clear results that originally sold you on your press. Our third video will demonstrate how PRISMAcolor Manager does this for several different press scenarios. It's a short video because, well, everything is so automated that there's not much to see, but the results are impressive.